guys, hope you're all good. Welcome to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube family. Today we are all going to talk about the French fries. Yes, French fries is the most important menu in the restaurants. The French fries recipe will always be there on the restaurant menu. It's because many children love to eat French fries. Even the youngsters and adults, everyone enjoys. Now come on, let's see how to make French fries in today's recipe. I'm going to show how to make a very crispy, nice, beautiful texture French fries which comes just like a restaurant style, and you can prepare this very easily at home, and please try out this recipe. I hope you all enjoy today's video. Now let's get started. Now make the list of the ingredients which are displayed below. We require potatoes. You can use how much of a potatoes you require. Salt. Add salt according to your taste. And red chili powder. Now sauce is an optional. You can have sauce if you want or not. Now take a potato. Wash it. Now I'm peeling the potato. Please use a medium-sized potato. Now it's time to cut a potato into half. Once you peel the potato, please cut the way I'm showing. Slice the potato into half and make thin slices like that. Don't make too thin. Just leave some gap and do it like this, how I'm showing. See, you have to get the splits like this. Now you need to make the potato in this shape in order to get the restaurant style potato. You can keep all the cut slices of potatoes together one by one and you can just chop it. Now you can see there are multiple cubes of potato which are coming. And this is the simplest and easiest method to get many slices of potato together at one single time. Keep 3 to 4 slices of potato and cut. Please use both the hands while cutting the potatoes. Now you can see in the video that I'm chopping the sides of the potatoes. Due to some technical issues, I'm using only one hand to slice the potatoes. Please use both the hands to slice the potato. If you cut the ends of the potatoes, you will get a nice shape, and that's why you need to cut the ends of the potato. Can you see, I've just taken one potato and I've sliced, and you can see the result. We get numerous slices of potato in such a beautiful shape. Use a medium-sized big potato. See, now I've sliced all the potatoes and it is very thick and long, just like the restaurant style. Now keep these potatoes aside. Now turn on your stove, keep it into high flame and keep a pan You can see that I washed the pan and all the water which is there is dried out. Now pour the oil as much as you require. Now drop all the sliced potatoes into the oil and please deep fry them. Wow, the sound is coming very well. Allow it to deep fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it become golden brown. After 1 minute of frying, please flip it over. I hope you all are able to see the slight color change which is there in the potato. Now let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now once it's golden brown, take a plate and please remove all the fried potato out of the oil. Do similarly for rest of the potato slices which you have. I'm taking this plate because we need to drain out the extra oil which is already there, that's why. You can use the tissue also to dry the potato from the oil. Now once the potatoes are dried, I'm using salt. I've used 1 to 2 tablespoons of common salt. I'm using 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now if you people like to eat paprika or the peri peri fries, you can use more red chili powder in order to get that flavor. You would have all seen the peri peri fries menu in the McDonald's and KFC. Now if you want to make that at home, you have to use the red chili powder itself. Now therefore you can put 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chili powder extra
chili
if you
powder
want.
and salt if you want. If people like to eat paprika french fries, then add a little bit of more chili powder to it.
Now please mix it well. Now once it's mixed, it's time to serve. Wow, look at this plate. It clearly shows that happiness is savoring something that you have not eaten for a long time. Wow. I know many people do diet, but it's okay to have a cheat day once in a while and enjoy this crunchy, beautiful, crispy, restaurant style French fries. Now I'm plating all the fries. I've
Now a
plated it.
delicious french fries is ready to eat. You can serve the french fries with the sauce. I think most of you like to eat it with sauce or tomato ketchup. Anything is fine. I'm adding the sauce just right over here.
You can have this potato fries as an evening snack. See, it's ready now. Please share this with your loved ones. Share this quick and easy recipe with as many as people as possible. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Please try this recipe at home. Please like my video if you like today's recipe. Click on the subscribe button which you can see on the channel. See my logo, you can see the Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel logo. Please click on that, visit my channel, subscribe and hit on the bell icon for getting the regular updates. and check out the videos which are displayed on the screen. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Bye bye.